I'm Client Bailosis. Basic maxims in criminal law. Um, First is doctrine of pro reo, or also known as in dubio pro reo. When in doubt, rule for the accused. Isa ini sa unang prinsipyo sa batas kriminal naghatag ng priority sa pagprotekta sa karapatan ng akusado. Amoy kuan. When in doubt, rule for the accused. Ayan. Ang basis is the fundamental rule that all doubts shall be constructed in favor of the accused. Pag magduha-duha ko no is or waray klaro is favor sa accused and presumption of innocence of the accused. Article 3 Section 14 or 2 1987 cons in all criminal prosecution the accused shall be presumed innocent until the contrary is proved. Ang accused ko na is presume na innocent until nga ma-prove nila na may ma-prove nila ang accused. So, equipoise rule, when the evidence of the prosecution and the defense are equally balanced, the scale should be titled in favor of the accused in obedience to the constitutional presumption of innocence. An equipoise rule is kibali balance daan ebidensya sa victim ug balance daan ebidensya sa akusado is ma title in favor para sa accused kay pare-parehas sa nan evidence. O nullum crimen nulla poena sine lege. Ang ininulam is there is no crime when there is no law punishing the same. This is true to civil law countries but no common law countries. Article 21, no felony shall be punishable by any penalty not prescribed by law prior to its commission. There is no crime when there is no law punishing the same. Ang nullum crimen nulla poena sine lege is waray krimen kung waray law naga-punish sayo na crime. O actus non facit reum nisi means sit rea. The act cannot be criminal where the mind is not criminal. This is true to a felony characterized by dolo but not a felony resulting from culpa. This maxim is not an absolute one because it is not applied to culpable felonies or those that result from negligence. Amay nin kuan the act does not make a person guilty unless the mind is guilty sab. For example, if someone accidentally takes another person's umbrella thinking it's their panid nila ila, there waray criminal intent ngadto na theft. Next is actus me next is actus me in vito factus non est means actus the act done by me against my will is not my act. Kibali yun, may angawat ng bangko tos ikaw kibali ang kuan yaon sa cashier tos gitutudan ka ng kriminal na kuan suguon ka na ihatag siya ang kwarta pero against sa imo will. Amin sa actus me in vito factus non est mean actus against your will. O ignorantia legis non excusat or ignorantia juris non excusat. Ignorance of the law excuses no one. A legal principle holding that a person cannot escape liability for violating a law merely because he or she was unaware of its content. Um, ang halimbawa na nining sa ignorantia legis na excuse act is hagibaliyon may mga ngaso na gipusilan usatas an iya ba iya posilis tao kung an iya pagka mali is dili siya hagibaliyon dili siya pabaya yang pagkatuodan niya pag aniya gipusilis uso datos aniya ba iya posilis tao kibali pwede ito magamit as a mistake of fact laban sa pagdepensa para sa iya o Duralix Sidlix is Duralix Sidlix the law may be harsh but it is the law. Kung sa kibalian sa pag tanaw nato na harsh or unfair ang balaod pero amo sini nato balaod kinahanglan ini nato sundon masking paniid nato na unfair ini para sa ato di amo sini nato balaod kinahanglan nato sundon. Og common law crimes acts or deeds which the community condemn as wrongful or contemptible even though there is no law declaring such acts or deeds as criminal. Ang common law is amo inin mga binuhatan na mali pero wara pay balaod matawag gyapon sila na kriminal tungod sa ila gibuhat na mali. And felony and liability. Felony, a crime under the revised penal code, is referred to us. Do not use this term in reference to a violation of special penal law. Ang felony, ang isang krimen na sakop sa revised penal code ay tinutukoy gamit ang terminong ito. Huwag gamitin ang terminong ito para sa paglabag sa espesyal na batas o offense. Mga krimen na pinarusahan sa ilalim ng espesyal na batas na kilala rin bilang statutory offense or paglabag sa batas na itinakda ng legislature. O misdemeanor, a minor infraction of the law such as violation of ordinance. Classification of felonies. 1 is according to the manner of their commission. 2 is according to the stages of their execution. 3 is according to their gravity. General elements of felonies. Ang una is an act or omission. Act, any kind of body movement which tends to produce some effect in the external world includes position. Amoy mga binuhatan na yawin sa ato kalibutan na makaapekto sa ato kalibutan kaya og anak kami nato mga binuhatan na maka-apekto sa ato kalibutan or palibot. Omission is the failure to perform a positive duty which one is bound to do under the law. It is important that there is a law requiring the performance of an act. If there is no positive duty, there is no liability. Ang omission kuno is amoy failure na pagtabang sa isa ka amoy failure na pagtabang sa hagkibaliyon may crime na yabuhat sa atubangan nimo tas imo da siya tan-awan wara mo tabangi amoy nin omission. Punishable by the RPC committed by means of dolo or culpa. Ang dolo is imo binuhatan ang culpa is negligence. Culpa is ang dolo is Amo ini may intent na pagbuhat ng krimen ug ang culpa is yon mga wara gid pantuyo hadyaon kibali. Example lang ini culpa is ga-drive ko ng uwan pero side ko na uwan gapa kusog pa ko gyapon ng dagan tapos may imo yabanggaan may isa po ng kulpa. May kapabayaan ba o recklessness o according to the manner of the commission, a dolo Article 3 deceit is deliberately intent otherwise referred to as criminal intent, intentional felony. Amoy na ako lang na nakuhaan. Ang dolo is intent na pagbuhat ng krimen. Three requisites of dolo. He must have freedom while doing an act, omitting to do an act. Ang dolo may freedom na pagbuhat sa krimen. Pero he must have intelligence, may hibaw-anan. He must have intent while doing omitting the act. Intent kibali yon intention gid niya na wanon gid buhaton niya na krimen. And criminal intent is not deceit. In criminal law, intent is categorized into two: general criminal intent, presumed from the mere doing of a wrong act. This does not require proof. The burden is upon the wrongdoer to prove that he acted without such criminal intent. Specific criminal intent, not presumed because it is an ingredient or element or a crime like intent to kill in crimes of attempted or stated homicide, parricide, murder. Prosecution has the burden of proving the same. Aminin duha na categorize sa criminal law. General criminal intent o specific criminal intent. Culpa. When the wrongful act results from imprudence, negligence, lack of foresight, or lack of skills. Aminin kapabayaan sa tibali ang sa culpa. Negligence way mga kasabagan. Yay tulo ka requisites sa culpa. Una is criminal negligence, freedom of action, intelligence in performing the negligence act. Ang manin tulo ka buok: negligence, imprudence, reason for punishing acts of negligence of imprudence. Ang doctrines concerning culpable crimes. Emergency rule: a person who confronted with a sudden emergency may be left no time for thought, so he must make a speedy decision based largely upon impulse or instinct. Kibali, ang emergency rule is yun maghuna-una na ko ng pagdali-dali sa emergency rule. Ang isang tao nakaharap sa biglaang sakit sa na pangyayari ay maaaring walang sapat na oras para mag-isip. Kaya kailangan niyang gumawa ng mabilis na desisyon batay sa kusang loob o likas na ugali. O doctrine of last clear chance. Ang pagkakaroon ng kapabayaan ng taong nasugatan ay hindi makakasira sa kanyang paghahabol. Kung mapapatunayan ang akusado ay maaaring sa pamamagitan ng wastong pag-iingat at pagiging maingat na maiwasan ang mga kahihinatnan ng kapabayaan ng taong nasugatan. Voluntariness in criminal law: the concurrence of freedom of action, intelligence, and fact that the act was intentional. O culpable felonies, there is no voluntariness if either freedom, intelligence or prudence negligence, lack of foresight, or lack of skill is lacking. Without voluntariness, there can be no dolo or culpa, hence there is no felony. According to the stage of the execution, Article 6 consummated, frustrated, and attempted felonies. Una is consummated felonies. Consummated felonies. A felony is consummated when all the elements necessary for its execution and accomplishment are present. Ah, ang pagbuhat kuno sa krimen is kuan na yun may na consume ng kriminal. O sa frustrated felonies, when the offender performs all the acts of execution which would produce the felony, the consequence, but it's nevertheless do not produce it by reason of causes independent of the will of perpetrator. See attempted felonies. When the offender commences the commission of a felony directly or overacts and does not perform all the acts of execution which should produce the felony by reason of some cause or accident other than his own spontaneous distance. Crimes related to classification of felonies as to stages of commission. Formal crime, crimes which are consummated in one instance. Kaduha, material felonies, crimes that have various stages of execution. Katalo, felonies by omission. Crimes which have no attempted stage. Development of a crime. Una is overact. Ang pagsasagawa ng krimen ay itinuturing na nagsisimula kapag naroroon ang mga sumusunod. Una is may mga labas na kilos. Ikaduha, ang mga labas na kilos na ito ay may direktang kaugnayan sa krimen na balak gawin. Overact, some physical activity or deed indicating the intention to commit a crime, particular crime, more than a mere planning of preparation which, if carried to its complete termination following its natural course without being frustrated by external obstacles, nor by the voluntary resistance of the perpetrator logically and necessarily leaping into concrete offense. Una is internal acts, ikaduha external acts. Internal acts, mga layunin, ideya at plano sa pangkalahatan, hindi mapaparusahan, dapat magkasabay ang layunin at kilos. External acts, ang kilos ay paghahanda ang external acts is ay duha ka kuan preparatory acts o acts of execution. Ang preparatory acts mga kilos na umakay patungo sa krimen karaniwang hindi pinaparusahan maliban na lamang kung itinuturing na batas ng mga hiwalay na krimen. As acts of execution, karaniwang mga tangibong kilos na may lohikal na kaugnayan sa isang tiyak na tunay na paglabas sa batas. Ang attempted stage elements. Una is ang nagkasala ay nagsimula sa pagsasagawa ng krimen sa pamamagitan ng direktang mga tangibong kilos. Kaduha, hindi niya natapos ang lahat ng mga kilos na kailangan para maisakatuparan ang krimen. Katulo, ang kawalan sa pagtatapos ng lahat ng mga kilos na pagsasagawa at dahil sa ibang dahilan na pangyari, hindi dahil sa kanyang sarili kusang pagtigil. Ang distance, isang dahilan na nagpapalaya sa pananagutan dahil hinihikayat ng batas ang isang tao na tumigil sa paggawa ng krimen. O subject, subjective base, ang bahagi ng mga kilos na bumubuo sa isang krimen na nagsisimula mula sa puntong nagsimula ang nagkasala ng pagsasagawa ng krimen hanggang sa puntong may kontrol pa rin siya sa kanyang mga kilos, kabilang ang natural na daloy nito. Frustrated stages elements. Una is the offender perform all the acts of execution. Ikaduha, all the acts performed would produce the felony as a consequence. Ikatulo, but the felony is not produced. Kaupat, by reason of causes independent of the will of the perpetrator. Objective base, ang resulta ng mga kilos na pagsasagawa ibig sabihin ng pagwawakas ng krimen. Consummated stages elements, the offender has performed every act required to commit the crime. Ikaduha, the intended criminal outcome or consequences is actually produced. And sunod is, according to their gravity under Article 9, felonies are classified as grave felonies. Ito ang mga krimen na ang batas ay naglalagay ng parusang kamatayan o parusa na sa alinmang yugto nito ay afflictive, mga parusang mabigat alinsunod sa Section 25 ng Section 25 of this code. Afflictive penalties: reclusion perpetua, reclusion temporal, perpetual of absolute disqualification, perpetual or temporary special disqualification, prison mayor, fine more than 6,000. Less grave felonies are those ito ang mga krimen na pinarurusahan ng mga parusa na sa kanilang maximum na yugto ay mga koreksyonal, mga parusang pampatama alinsunod sa nasabing seksyon. Correctional penalties: prison correctional, aresto mayor, pagsuspindi sa tungkulin o karapatan, pagbabawal sa pumaroon sa isang lugar o distiyero, multa na katumbas o mahigit sa 200 pesos. Light felonies, ito ang mga paglabag sa batas na ang parusa ay isa sa sumusunod. Light felonies: aresto minor o multa na hindi higit ng 200 peso o pareho ang dalawa. Ang mga maling krimen ay mapaparusahan lamang kapag natapos na ito, maliban na lang sa mga krimen na ginawa laban sa tao o ari-arian. Bakit kailangan matukoy ang mga krimen ay malubha? Hindi kasing lubha o maliit lamang upang matukoy kung maaaring pagsamahin ang mga krimen o hindi. Ang prescription ng krimen, panahon kung saan hindi na maaaring ihabla ang nagkasala, at ang prescription na parusa, panahon kung saan hindi na maaaring ipatupad ang parusa. Section 9, uri ng krimen. Section 25, uri ng parusa, antas ng parusa. Section 27, tagal ng parusa. Section 90, prescription ng krimen section 92, prescription ng parusa section 125, oras bago maidepensa. Malubhang krimen, parusang kamatayan, pinawalang bisa ng Public Act 9346. 20 years, 36 years, parusang mabigat, reclusion perpetua, 20 years, 1 days to 40 years. Reclusion temporal, 12 years, 1 day to 20 years. Prison mayor, 6 years, 1 day to 12 years. Hindi kasing lubang krimen, parusang pampatama or correctional, prison correctional, 6 months, 1 day to 6 years. Aresto mayor, 1 month, 1 day to 6 months. Suspension at destiro, 10 years. And aresto minor, 1 day to 30 days. Libil, 1 taon. Pangalitan ng kilos, 6 buwan. Konspirasyon at mungkahing gumawa ng krimen. Conspiracy and proposal to commit a crime. This is proposal when the person who has decided to commit a felony proposes its execution to some other person or persons. A conspiracy exists when 2 or more persons come to an agreement concerning the commission of a felony and decided to commit it. Requisites of conspiracy: 2 or more persons come to an agreement. The agreement pertains to a commission of a felony. Katulad, the execution of the felony was decided upon. Note, there must be participation in the criminal resolution because simple knowledge thereof by a person may only make him liable as an accomplice. General rule: when the conspiracy is established, all who participated were irrespective of the quantity or quality of his participation is liable equally whether the conspiracy is pre-planned or instantaneous. Exception: unless one or some of the conspiracy committed some other crime which is not part of the conspiracy. Exception to the exception: when the act constitutes a single indivisible offense. Proposal and conspiracy to commit a crime when punishable. General rule: conspiracy and proposal to commit a felony are not punishable. Exception: they are punishable only in the cases in which the law specially provides a felony thereof. Plurality of crimes. Kinds of plurality of crimes. A. Una is real of material plurality. There are different crimes in law as well as the conscience of the offender. Ang konsensya sa offender. In such cases, the offender shall be punished for each and every offense that he committed. And ikaduha is formal of ideal plurality. There is but one criminal liability in this kind of plurality. Ikaduha, divided into 3 groups. Ang 3 groups ini is complex crimes, special complex crimes, o continuing and continued crimes. Ang complex crime when the offender commits either of the complex crime defined in Article 48 of the Code. An example ng complex crime is yakakomit ka ng isa ka crime pero duhaan niya ko an example is how diyon may gipusil mo an imo target tas maya igo na civilian, how Amay example lang complex crime. Og special complex crime is ang example ay magnakaw na pumasok sa bahay, ninakawan ang may-ari at pinatay ito. Yan. Ang special complex crime is duha ni mo ya buhat. Yan kibali diyan yang awat pa kaw, gipatay yung pagaydan tagiyan ng bahay. Tapos ang sa continuing and continued crime is a single crime consisting of a series of acts but all arising from one criminal resolution is gibali yun sa isa ka adlaw yang awat ka ng manok, tas sa lain-lain ng mga bahay gibali kuman yang awat ka ng manok sa isa nimo kasilingan, tas pagkangayan yung awat sab ko ng manok sa imo sa kasilingan, tas pagkangayan na sab yung awat sab ko ng manok sa imo sa kasilingan. Amay example lang continuing and continued crime. Complex crime. Article 48 requires the commission of at least 2 crimes, but the 2 or more grave or less grave felonies must be compound crime, complex crime proper. Compound crime, delito con compuesto. A single act result in 2 or more graves or less graves felonies. Requisites: the only a single act is performed by the offender. Kaduha, that the single act produces 2 or more graves felonies, 1 or more grave and 1 more less grave felonies, or 2 or more less grave felonies. Light felonies produced by the same act should be treated and punished as separate offense or may be absorbed by the grave felony. Complex crime proper delito. Amoy nitong kaina na nandito. Yan, nya kabuhat ka ng isa ka krimen pero duhaan niya kuan kibali ha dito pusil mo nimo target pero kadamay ka ng lain. Amin sa complex crime. Og special complex crime is commit ka ng duha ka crime sa isa ka sitwasyon. Okay, balihaw diyan yung awat, amin to kayo na doon, yung awat ko sa bahay, tapos ipatay mong pagayad ang tagyan ng bahay. Ug sa continuing and continued crime is amin to, commit ka ng isa ka crime sa isa na ka adlaw. Amo dito ma'am, thank you.